What we have here is a Beebe Arms Company single barrel shotgun. Now, the information on the BB or on the brand BB is very sketchy on the internet, and I cannot find anything on it. It is the only information I can get is it appears that these guns were made by Harrington and Richardson, the single barrels, and they had double barrels that were made by Hopkins and Allen, and that's about it. It appears that Harrington and Richardson made single barrel shotguns for them until about 1975. So this is older than that, but this is an old gun. Anyway, it's rough. The stock's got some chips out over there. The finish is peeling, and then the stock is cracked. You can actually see it's opened up there. So I'm gonna have to do some work to get that into one piece. Crack runs through there, down there, and down there. Butt plate's in one piece, and it's got very rusty patina on it, and the front wood has got chips over there. I'm guessing it used to overhang, and it was chipped out before it wore off. And that's really it. I'm going to cook the rust off. The barrel is not bad inside. Clean it up, cook the rust off. Take the stock off and get the butt plate off and the grip cap off. Soak it in acetone to get all the oils out of the crack, and then epoxy this all back in and tighten it back up. Got the stock off. It is original stock. It's serialized to the gun, but it's broken out over there, and it's actually opened up. You can see if I squeeze it, you can see it close up on that piece. Acroglass is gonna have to do its magic here. Crescent double barrel shotgun and BB single barrel shotgun receivers in the conversion pot, busy cooking away all the grime and converting all the red rust to inactive black oxide. After an hour in the conversion pot, that's what that BB action came out like. And that side, I started the carding on it. Quite a transformation. Got the finish off the stock. It's stripped nicely. Cracks are now more visible, so we got a crack running through there to about there, and then this crack seems to be a duplex crack. It's as if that wants to part, and it's cracked through there. So there's kind of a double crack there, and it runs on the edge of that checkering through there. You can see it move, and it runs through to that screw hole. You can also see it move if I push there. And then this piece belongs in there, which broke out. So all that's got to go back in, and I've got to get acroglass into those cracks. Front wood. I made a funny spot there. It's on the hole where the screw goes through for the metal. So what I did was I drilled a little hole there, 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 there. So this is just an epoxy needle. Put a syringe on you filled with epoxy, and that'll go in there, and then force pump in with a syringe, pump in epoxy until you get it to weep out. And same for there. go in there, and that one's at an angle. I'm trying to follow that crack line, because that crack goes around and actually goes to that point. So if I trying to follow that crack line and get that in there, and you know, every single one has kind of got an epoxy into like that. That's what it's going to be. I'm going to wrap this in masking tape so that any spillage or the cleanup can be limited. Got that stock patched up, got that piece in. Now I just need to clean it all up. Get the metal to fit again. So all the cracks have been filled in with epoxy and then clamped, and we got some squish out. So we've got to clean that up, and let's see what it comes out like. Okay, got it cleaned up. Got the epoxy all trimmed in. It's looking grey now because of the sanding, but it's black. As soon as it gets the oil, it'll go black. All sanded, patched up, and ready for the walnut stain. Filled in the cracks over there and over there, and then we had the cracks that's gone through there, through there. There you go, all done. Now you can actually read the Beebe or Beebe Arms Co, the serial number, and the pits are still there because I didn't sand it. I just cooked all the rust and the patina off. I'll give you an overview of what it came out like. Turned out beautifully black. You can't imagine. It's that same lump of rust that we had. I did patch up there. I wanted to lift the checkering out, but when I looked at it closer, it's not evenly spaced, so I don't know if that checkering was from the factory or if somebody did it, but the lines aren't straight to start off with, and they're not evenly spaced, so I just let it be stock. If you remember, there was cracks through there, there was one going through there. It's solid now, cleaned up nicely. You guys, hope you found that interesting. Stay safe. Talk again. Cheers.